today's video, I'm going to be starting a war down in the comments. Probably not. Actually, I'm going to be taking this piece of Damascus steel and turning it into a Banto. You heard me correct, a Banto. A little bit of a Bowie and a little bit of a Tanto. It's a concept idea that's been floating around my head for about a year, until I saw a guy on Facebook post a wooden knife exactly like the idea I had. So I had to make it out of steel. Yes, I did ask permission for me to use that design. Also, you can go check out his YouTube channel in the link down in the description below. The annealing process makes the steel less likely to crack after you quench. Basically, you want to bring the steel up to a Donald Trump orange, and then you want to let the steel cool completely. If you got the steel to a George Washington white, that means you really messed it up. Y'all might think the hardest part is forging the blade or the heat treat, but for me, it is making the habaki. It is a copper collar or brass that goes right below the blade and right above the guard. That is probably the hardest thing to get right on any Japanese blade out there. And did I mention I tried to make this 5 separate times and all of them either too small or not to the right size, but finally, I got it right.